Hello and welcome to Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can log into your Chase account on the Chase mobile app. That is your Chase Bank mobile login. So what you need to do is kind of run the Chase mobile bank application on your smartphone, that is your Android or iPhone, and then when you kind of run it, this is what will appear. So what you need to do is enter your user ID or enter your password. You can click next to remember me and use token and click on sign in. If you are confident enough that your account or your phone won't be mishandled by anybody, you can also do lots of other stuff on the Chase Bank application on your phone. You can kind of find the ATM branch or the bank branch nearest to you, and you can contact the officials at Chase Bank, or you can scroll through the frequently asked questions. If you have any inquiries about the services, you can click on app info to find out what the app is about, and you can click on cancel. After you've done, then you can click on sign up for the mobile banking feature for your Chase account. If you already have an account at Chase but you haven't used the mobile banking feature just yet, you can also open an account for Chase from the mobile bank itself. Now this is how you can log into your Chase account on your mobile app. As I said, you can easily download this on your mobile phone, that is your Android and your iPhone. Now if you want to go to the website to log into your mobile login, you can go to chase.com, and when you go to chase.com, the home page will load. Though you can log into Chase Bank on your mobile's browser, it's better to use the mobile banking app if that is feasible for you, because it's a lot more easier option than using it on your mobile's browser. Like you see over here, it doesn't take as much as it does on the browser. On the mobile app, as you saw, that it easily loads on the mobile banking app. So the login screen like this will appear here. So all you need to do is type in your mobile banking username for your Chase account and your password, and you can tick next to remember me and tick next to use token, whichever you prefer, and then click on sign in to sign into your bank account. And you can also reset your password from here, or you can recover your username for your mobile banking login credentials, and you can also sign up for a Chase Bank account from here. Once you've signed up, you might have to go to your nearest bank branch to kind of make the matters official and create a Chase Bank account. So this is what you can do to log into Chase mobile banking. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.